Ever wonder about your place in the universe? Well, you're not alone in this cosmic curiosity. Imagine the universe as a boundless canvas, stretching out in all directions, without an end in sight. It's filled with an unimaginable number of celestial bodies, stars that outshine our sun, galaxies that make our Milky Way seem like a tiny dot, and planets that defy our understanding of what a world should be. We're nestled on this tiny blue dot we call Earth, within a solar system that's just one among billions in our galaxy. And our galaxy? It's merely one among countless others in this grand cosmic tapestry. But don't let this vastness intimidate you. Each of us in our own way is a part of this celestial symphony, contributing to the rhythm of the cosmos. So, as we stand on this tiny speck of cosmic dust, spinning in the vast expanse of space, one question remains. Now, are you ready to embark on a cosmic journey like no other? Our journey begins right next door, in our very own solar system. Picture a cosmic neighborhood, where each member has a personality as distinct as the planets that orbit our sun. First up, we have Mercury, the swift-footed messenger of the solar family. This tiny cratered character is the closest to the sun, zipping around in a speedy 88-day year. Then there's Venus, our sultry sister planet. She's similar in size to Earth, but don't be fooled. Her scorching surface and acidic atmosphere are anything but welcoming. Next, we have our home, Earth, a dazzling blue marble swathed in wispy clouds and the only place we know that harbors life. Isn't it amazing to think that every person you've ever known or heard of has lived out their life right here? Mars, the dusty red-faced neighbor, is next in line. This cold desert world is the focus of our curiosity, luring us with its ancient riverbeds and the hope of past, or even present life. Onward to the outer planets we meet Jupiter, the giant stormy big brother of our solar family. It's so massive over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it, and don't forget its signature Great Red Spot, a storm that's been raging for centuries. Next door, Saturn shows off with its stunning rings made of countless icy particles reflecting sunlight. It's like the diva of our solar system, always ready for a photo op. Then we have the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Distant, cold and windy, they're the enigmatic members of our solar neighborhood, still holding many secrets yet to be discovered. Pluto, once considered the 9th planet, is now known as a dwarf planet in the Kuiper Belt, a ring of bodies beyond Neptune. It might be small, but Pluto has a big heart, quite literally, with a heart-shaped glacier on its surface. Quite a family, isn't it? But let's venture beyond our home turf. Did you know that the stars we see at night are just our closest neighbors? Think about it this way. We live in a vast cosmic neighborhood, a community of stars that light up the darkness of space. Each star, a beacon, burning bright with its own unique story. They're not just specks of light in the night sky, but other suns, some much larger than our own. Take Betelgeuse, for instance. It's a red supergiant star located in the Orion constellation. If you were to place Betelgeuse in the center of our own solar system, it would extend beyond the asteroid belt, nearly reaching Jupiter. It's around 600 light-years away, which means the light we see from it today actually left the star around the time that Christopher Columbus was sailing the ocean blue. And then there's Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky, only 8 light-years away. That's practically next door in cosmic terms. It's twice as massive as our sun, and 25 times more luminous. If our sun had a big brother, Sirius would be it. But stars aren't just standalone entities. They form constellations, patterns in the sky that have guided explorers and inspired storytellers for generations. The Big Dipper, Orion's Belt, the Southern Cross. These constellations are like landmarks in the night sky, a cosmic GPS if you will. Yet, these stars and constellations are merely members of an even larger community, the Milky Way galaxy, home to over 200 billion stars. And that's just one galaxy among countless others in the universe. As we gaze upon these stars, we are not just looking at distant points of light, but peering into the past. The light from these stars has traveled for years, decades, even centuries to reach us. So when we look at the stars, we're not only looking across vast distances, but also back in time. So, we've met our neighbors, but what about the rest of the universe? Imagine a city, where each building is a galaxy, and each room in the building is a star system. Now that's a thought, isn't it? But it's not far from the truth. The universe is teeming with galaxies, each one a bustling metropolis of stars, planets, and other celestial bodies. And just like in a city, every galaxy is unique, with its own character and charm. Let's talk about our own galaxy, the Milky Way. If you could see it from the outside, it would look like a cosmic whirlpool spinning around a central core. It's an enormous, spiraling disk containing hundreds of billions of stars, including our very own sun. It's so large that traveling from one end to the other, even at the speed of light, would take you a whopping 100,000 years. But here's the real kicker. The Milky Way, as vast and astounding as it is just one of the estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. That's right, 2 trillion galaxies, each with its own billions or even trillions of stars. Ever heard of the Andromeda Galaxy? It's the closest spiral galaxy to the Milky Way, and it's on a collision course with us. But don't worry, this cosmic collision isn't due for another 4 billion years or so. When it does happen though, it's going to be a sight to behold. Then there's the Sombrero Galaxy. With its thick ring of dust and bright central bulge, it looks just like a giant cosmic hat. Not to mention the Whirlpool Galaxy, a beautiful spiral that's interacting with a smaller galaxy, leading to stunning cosmic fireworks. Galaxies are the cosmic cities of the universe. They are the homes of stars, the birthplaces of planets, and the cradle of life as we know it. Their vastness, their variety, and their sheer number are a testament to the incredible scale and complexity of the universe. And to think, all of this is just a fraction of the universe. So we've journeyed from our home planet to galaxies far away. But what does all this mean for us? Well, isn't that the big question? When we look up at the night sky, we're not just seeing a beautiful canvas of twinkling lights. We're seeing a vast cosmic expanse that's been unfolding for billions of years. It's a tapestry of stars, galaxies, and celestial bodies, each with its own unique story. And here we are, tiny beings on a small planet, looking out into the cosmos and pondering our place in it. The universe is a grand theater, and we are but humble players on its stage. The scale of it all can be overwhelming. Our solar system, our galaxy, they're just a tiny speck in the cosmic ocean. But rather than feeling insignificant, we should find this humbling and even inspiring. In the face of such vastness, it's easy to feel small. But remember, we are made of the same stuff as the stars. The atoms in our bodies were once part of distant suns that exploded, scattering their contents across the universe. So in a way, we are not just observers of the universe, we are a part of it. This vast cosmic stage is not just out there, it's in here, within us. We carry the cosmos in our cells, in our genes. And that means each of us, in our own way, is a little bit of the universe, contemplating itself. So what does this all mean for us? Well, that's up to you to decide. Perhaps it's a reminder of our shared cosmic heritage, a call to cherish and protect our home planet, or maybe it's an inspiration to continue exploring, to reach for the stars, and to seek out our place in the cosmos. Remember, no matter how vast the universe, each of us has a unique place in it. So, what's the takeaway from our cosmic journey? On this grand tour, we've explored our solar neighborhood, journeyed to distant stars, and even ventured into galaxies far, far away. We've seen the beauty and scale of our universe, from the fiery furnace of our sun to the icy rings of Saturn, and from the red plains of Mars to the swirling storms of Jupiter. Beyond our solar system, we've marveled at the glittering array of stars that make up our galaxy, the Milky Way, and gazed in awe at distant galaxies that are billions of light years away. This journey has shown us just how vast the cosmos is and how small we are in comparison. But it's also shown us that we're a part of this grand tapestry. Each one of us is connected to the universe in a profound and fundamental way. Whether you're an astronaut or an accountant, remember, we're all made of star stuff. Until next time, keep looking up.